Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best seat covers for Tacoma that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the BDK Polypro Car Seat Covers Full Set. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this set is perfect for protecting your seats without breaking the bank. These universal fit covers are designed to work with most cars, trucks, SUVs, and vans that have adjustable or removable headrests. The standout feature here is the breathable poly material, which promotes airflow and keeps you comfortable during long drives in any season. Plus, the two-tone design adds a modern touch to your vehicle's interior. In terms of build quality, these covers are lightweight but durable enough to handle daily wear and tear. They're easy to install, thanks to the step-by-step installation video provided, and their snug fit prevents annoying movement while driving. However, keep in mind that these are universal fit seat covers, so they may not offer the tailored look or precise fit of higher-end custom options. Additionally, they aren't compatible with molded headrests or integrated seat belts. For under $32, the BDK Polypro covers offer solid value for anyone on a tight budget. They're ideal for drivers who want basic protection and a style upgrade without spending a fortune. While they lack premium materials and features like waterproofing or heavy-duty padding, they're a great choice for commuters and casual drivers. Pros: affordable price, breathable design, easy installation. Cons: universal fit may not be perfect for all vehicles, limited durability compared to higher-end options. At number 4, we have the CAT Mesh Flex Automotive Seat Covers. These seat covers are designed to provide durable protection against spills, sweat, dirt, and everyday wear, making them a reliable choice for hard-working Tacoma owners. The honeycomb mesh design on the back ensures optimal breathability, keeping you cool and comfortable on long drives or during hot summer days. The covers are airbag compatible, with specialized side stitching that ensures safety features remain functional. The Mesh Flex covers have a universal fit tailored for vehicles with removable headrests, providing a snug and secure look. Installation is quick and hassle-free, thanks to multiple video tutorials that walk you through the process step by step. While these covers aren't custom fit, their form-fitting design does a good job of adapting to various seat shapes. However, they may not provide the perfect fit for every Tacoma model, especially if your seats have built-in armrests. Priced at just under $35, the CAT Mesh Flex covers strike a balance between affordability and functionality. They're ideal for truck owners who prioritize comfort and practicality, whether for daily commutes or worksite use. Pros: breathable mesh design, durable materials, airbag compatibility. Cons: universal fit may not suit all vehicles perfectly. Limited coverage for rear seats. Coming in at number 3 is the Luckyman Club 2 Front Tacoma Seat Covers. These covers are specifically designed for 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma Crew Cab and Extended Cab models, offering a custom fit that's hard to beat. Made from premium faux leather, they're padded with thick sponge material for added comfort during long drives. The faux leather is also waterproof and easy to clean, making it ideal for families, pet owners, or anyone frequently exposed to messes. The design includes independent headrest coverage for a clean and polished look. Installation is straightforward, with detailed instructions and videos provided to ensure you get it right. Once installed, you'll still have full access to your rear seat storage compartments, which is a thoughtful touch for Tacoma owners who value functionality. The only downside is that these covers come as a pair for the front seats, so you'll need to purchase additional covers separately if you want rear seat protection. With strong customer ratings and a 1-year warranty, the Luckyman Club covers are a great mid-range option for drivers who want premium materials without splurging on a full set. Pros: custom fit for Tacoma models, durable faux leather, easy installation. Cons: limited to front seats only, price not readily available. At number 2, we have the Karlameki leather seat covers. Specially designed for the Tacoma 4th Gen 2024 to 2025. These custom-fit covers are tailored to fit double cab models, including trims like SR, SR5, TRD Sport, and Limited. Made from premium faux leather, they deliver a luxurious look and feel, while protecting your seats from spills, scratches, and everyday wear. The faux leather is waterproof and easy to clean, making it perfect for all-weather use. What sets Karla Mecki apart is the attention to detail. The package includes full coverage for all seats and armrest covers, ensuring a seamless and cohesive look. Installation is quick and easy, with a step-by-step video provided to guide you through the process. Once installed, the covers don't interfere with functionality. You can still flip up the rear seats to access storage compartments. Safety is also a priority, as these covers are compatible with side airbags and seat belts. While the price isn't listed, Karla Mecki offers a 24-month replacement warranty, which adds peace of mind to your purchase. These covers are ideal for Tacoma owners who want to elevate their interior while ensuring maximum protection and safety. Pros: perfect custom fit, luxurious design, easy installation. Cons: price not readily available, limited compatibility, not for TRD Pro seats. Finally, at number 1, we have the Rough Country neoprene seat covers, the undisputed premium option for Tacoma owners. Designed specifically for 2016 to 2023 Tacoma models, these covers offer a snug, factory-like fit that protects your seats from spills, stains, and scratches while maintaining a polished look. The 4-layer design combines durable polyester, soft foam padding, and water-resistant neoprene, ensuring your seats stay protected for years to come. The neoprene material is not only waterproof, but also breathable, making it ideal for active lifestyles, families, and outdoor enthusiasts. The set includes full coverage for both front and rear seats, along with headrest and center console covers, ensuring comprehensive protection. With a 2-year warranty, you can trust that these covers are built to last. However, note that the rear cover is compatible only with double cab models and won't fit electric seats. At $229.95, these are the most expensive covers on our list, but they deliver exceptional quality and durability. If you're looking for the best possible protection and comfort for your Tacoma, the Rough Country neoprene seat covers are worth the investment. Pros: custom fit, premium materials, full coverage. Cons: higher price point, limited compatibility for rear seats. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.